As the festivals are approaching, it's a right time to start cleaning the house. Today I have chosen to clean and redecorate my living room as this is the biggest area of house. I'm going to start with decorating the sitting area by adding some texture to it, hence tossing some cushions on the couch to make this space cozy and comfortable. Also laying a neutral color carpet over here to add some warmth and subtle look. Beautifying this wide area by popping this pothos plant here, which is as of now my only live plant in the living room. Hello all, a warm welcome or welcome back to ABODE Diaries. Living room of any house is a place where we all sit together with our family members or friends and do a lot of chit chat and have loads of fun together. We tell our stories, we talk about our memories, make plans for outing, discuss about our lives and work, enjoying watching TV, movies, and sometimes even we turn our coffee table to a dining table and enjoy the meals over here. My overall approach when it comes to decorating the living room is just to make it most comfortable, cozy, and a fun place to all my family members. I am placing this chopping board here to just pop up the decorative items on it and then layering it up with some flowers, candle, and some decor pieces. In today's video, I am going to share my styling process and tips for you all along the way, not step by step, just randomly, so you can get some fun decorating ideas to make the living room beautiful and cozy. And I hope that you will also like them. I've been collecting all these decor items for many years because it is not possible to buy them together. And if this is your rental home, you have to think even more before buying them. However, sometimes we do not have control over our desires and hence we buy them. Sometimes I think, how will I manage with these items when I will be back to India? But then I leave it on time and just go with the flow and enjoy the current scenario. I am styling this place with this orange vase as this is a white TV unit. So it's a beautiful matchmaking, I guess. I am placing these wicker or woven baskets here in this TV unit. It adds the aesthetic value to the place as well as acts as an organizer. Similarly, here I am styling this woven planter with a green leaves ball on top of it. I like to make my space look earthy and natural to get that elevated desire feel. In order to achieve the beautiful, calm and earthy look, I am putting some vintage looking jars, wooden baskets and boxes to keep some items. With this fun decorating idea, we can achieve the goal to get the stylish and comfortable living room. In a rented apartment, to decorate the living room as per our liking is a big concern. And if it's a furnished one, then you are left with limited number of choices to decorate it. Like you can style with some decor items, some fabric like cushions and throws, and some plants, real or artificial, to beautify the space. I have added a bit of brown and orange tone to this unit to get that rustic and earthy look. One of the best ways to give your living space most expensive look, flowers or plants are the luxurious options. Artificial flowers or real plants do not matter that much as they anyway look stunning and make the whole space an extension of outside. This coffee table has an undershelf, so I am styling this shelf only and keeping the top surface empty to use properly. This is a big wooden tray where I am keeping a plant, a small wooden basket to keep candles and TV remotes in it, placing the coasters along with it. I have this cute cake stand which of course not used daily, so I am decorating it with a beautiful clay tray and then a clock on top of it. This is giving a perfect neutral and natural earthy look here. I have not hung any picture frame or painting in this living room as I already had this big mirror, so I have decorated this wall above the sofa set with this mirror only. Only these two wall frames I have hung near to the dining area to complement the TV unit with the orange tone in it. And now I am spending a good time with my daughter after all these arrangements and decoration. She was eagerly waiting for me to spend some time with her. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please like this video and subscribe to ABODE Diaries. See you later.